Hey, it's Liz McGroma with Intuitive Survival. Today I'm going to be doing a review about the Bear Grylls folding sheath knife. Stay tuned. Alright, so today's video, like I said, is going to be about the Bear Grylls folding sheath knife. Comes in this pouch, ballistic grade nylon, looks like 1000 denier. It's going to keep your knife safe. Well, it's going to keep it very protected in this very tough sheath, and fits snugly inside. Comes with the priorities of survival Bear Grylls guide in there, which, despite most of the Bear Grylls line being not, let's just say, not so high quality, that's pretty good advice. And the sheath works excellent. Fits right inside, very snugly, and it's got a Velcro front. It's a very large belt loop, and it's also got the strap. You see the belt loop. It's also got the straps where you can carry it like this on your belt. Now for the actual knife, it's I believe it's 1095 Crovan steel. Very tough blade. Not sure if you can see the blade geometry or the angle on that. It's very tough. It's not very sharp, but it will last. And these will stay sharper than the rest of the knife for a long time. It's got a plastic injection mold handle. This rubbery, grippery stuff on the outside. Hole here, a lanyard hole, which you can also use for lashing onto a spear. And it's got these two thumb knobs on both sides, so you can open it one-handed like that, or with your left hand. So it's got the Gerber, the Bear Grylls insignia. It's got a nice feel. It's molded for an ergonomic grip. Fits my hand perfectly. I'm not sure about anybody else's, but I've heard people say it fits their hand very nicely. The jimping right here on the handle is actually molded into the handle, as well as this locking piece. So if I pull that up, can you see that? That's the locking piece. You let that go, it locks. So it's a very nice locking system, very nice pocket knife for the money. You can even flick it open real fast if you wanted to. Although I think that would be somewhat illegal in most states, which kind of sucks. But it's held together by a little star pen there, and another one on the other side, and it's got a little star screw that keeps the blade in. That will get loose over time. I know, because I've had one for a while. This one is a new one that my brother just got. I asked him if I could use it for the video. It's very nice, right out of the bag. Now, one thing you noticed about the other one, the blade geometry was very, instead of a cutting blade that you wanted more like this, it was more like that. It's very short. It's probably almost 90 degrees. So what I did with mine, as you can see, it's got a lot more use. I narrowed it down a lot more. Pretty sure you can see it. Narrowed it down a lot more. These aren't as sharp, but the blade is 4 times sharper. It's razor sharp now instead of being barely sharp enough to cut a stick. Like I said, the starter bolts right there will get loose over time, but it doesn't affect the knife too much if you're just using it for what I use it, which is cutting cord and cutting open stuff. So that's a great use for this knife. The rubbery, grippy stuff does come off. Doesn't really change anything on both sides. It's actually sort of improved the grip because now you've got those little lips there that keep it tight. So, alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review. It's been nice making it. Thanks.